kitchen. Well, vegan food is our top priorities. Yes, today we are going to prepare something delicious. What is that? Kebab. Yes. So we are not wasting much time. Let's start with seasoning our vegetables and then we grill it in the oven. Yes, okay. So viewers, let's do it. So first, let's cut our tofu. We can't live without tofu. Yes. We cut it. Yes. Equal part, 4 equal parts. This one too. We'll season our tofu. One, we need salt. Just a pinch of salt to taste. Salt to taste. Yes. We need a little baking cornstarch. Yes. This paprika, I really love paprika. It's smoked paprika. It tastes so nice and amazing. Yeah. So I normally use that one for my cooking a lot. It brings out the taste itself. We need olive oil. We mix it. You see how nice it looks for our kebab. So for the vegetable too, for the kebab, we need a sprout, tomatoes, carrots, and then mushroom also. Good. So to start with, we'll cut our sprout into 2. I really love this sprout, how green and fresh it looks. Very fresh. And it's very tasty too. We need to mix our vegetable also. Let's first with the carrot, which are a very strong one, and then the sprout. We make the salt. And then with the same paprika. And then the olive oil. Just a little, like 2 spoons of it is okay. We want to retain its taste. Yeah, that's why we mix all together. So we just start with the sprouts, the tomatoes, and then the tofu, and then our mushroom, then the carrots. Just to stir it up. You can take any vegetable to start or to end. Yes. At the end of the day, it will come out colorful. Welcome viewers. This is our vegetable tofu vegan kebab. Yes, it's very yumptious. The aroma alone, you don't have any idea about it. It's very yumptious. So please let me invite my friend Patrick to have a taste of it.
It smells so good.
And it's also juicy too, right?
It is extremely juicy.
Yes. I can't help it.
That is cooked perfectly.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
So as you hear from my friend, it's very yumptious, very delicious, and it's very juicy. So this brings the end of this episode. So viewers, see you later. Bye bye.